Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here. And if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon. So let's tap on it. As you can, right now it's probably more visible than before, so this is the icon I'd like you to tap. So here we've got the recents, and basically to close all of them you have to simply tap on clear all. Now we just got back to the home page, we can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all backward apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.